I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through.
What are you running here, man? 415s. They've been recombed to ZV4s or XV2s.
Rusticals sound.
Too much drugs and I ain't in the mood. You in your face if I. My face. Shit that my fucking range, bitch.
Appreciate it, man. No problem.
You on social media anywhere they can find you?
No, not on anything right now. Facebook.
Okay, what can I find? Can I find you? Can I follow you?
Oh, well, yeah, lots of photo fun at gmail.com. Well, lots of photo fun.
Okay, I'll be sure to tag them down below. I appreciate it, man.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, sorry about that, man. I had to take everything apart.
Hey, you never know.
You never know, man.
Hey, that's a house man taking everything
man,
out.
Boy.
So you would it come straight out of here? You would
Say again?
Would the slab coming straight over the top, or get to take the whole front off?
I'm saying one more time.
Would the slab coming straight out, or we have to take the whole?
Oh no, I have to take this off to get them out.
Oh, so you got to put in some work.
Oh yeah. So this one here, I was thinking about. It had a spark on it from a YouTube song, so I.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.